Today, I'm going to show you how to make a origami ghost, a paper ghost. Now, if you don't have a square sheet of paper, you can make one by taking a regular sheet of paper, folding it diagonally like that, nice and even along here. Then you're going to want to cut off the extra. So if you're a child doing this, please get an adult to help you. Scissors are sharp and dangerous. And you're going to want to cut along there and get rid of this. That'll end up with a square sheet of paper. Now, give me 1 second here. Got some crayon on this desk, and the crayon will end up marking up the paper. There. Okay. Sorry about that. So, we got our square sheet of paper now. And a clean desk. So, today we're going to make an easy origami ghost. Now, to start out, you're going to want to fold your sheet of paper diagonally. And then unfold it. And then you're going to fold this right and left side to the center line you just made, the center crease you just made. Nice and even. Do that with both sides. Oops, nice and even. The more even and straight your folds are, the better your thing turns out in the end. Now, you're going to take it and you're going to fold these outwards. Okay, so you're going to do it like this. Okay, now you're going to do the same on the other side. Try to make it as even as possible. Okay, so as even as possible. Now, you want to take and this side and this side, you're going to want to do the same thing. You're going to fold these inwards. Line it up with the corner here. Fold it inwards and line it up with that corner. Try to make them even. So roughly about there. Nope. Even. All right. Close enough. All right, so we got it like this. Not very even, but okay. Then we're going to take this top and we're going to fold this down. Okay. Just line it up with the 2 points you got here. And then you're going to take this bottom part. You're going to fold it over. Something like that. You can fold it how you like. experiment. It makes the tail of the ghost, and then flip it over, and then there you go. Now you take whatever you want and draw a face. Okay. And we're gonna draw a happy ghost. He's gonna be sticking his tongue out. There we go. And there we have it. We have an origami ghost. Ooh. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.